Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you could leave a comment, that would be awesome. It helps the video out a ton. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live when I critique other cooking videos. All right, today we have cheesy bacon party bread, and it's super easy to do. As you can see here, I melted about a half a cup of butter, 3 cloves of garlic that's been minced, and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to that. And as you can see, I just poured it on. Now I'm just kind of paint brushing it all over. And now I'm adding the cheese. This is a combination of mild and medium cheddars, along with a little bit of Monterey Jack and some Fontina cheese. So we're going to layer this up real good. And then we're going to top it off with bacon. Then we're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven until the cheese is ooey gooey and melted. As you can see, I somewhat forgot about mine. This is somewhat optional, but I added just a little bit more cheese on top of the bacon before I popped it in the oven. Through the magic of cooking show editing, our cheesy bacon bread is done. Like I said, I forgot, messed up my timing, and left it in there a couple of minutes too long, so make sure to keep an eye on it. But all right, that's cheesy bacon bread. Done.